In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme and layout on pfSense. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is the main page layout for me, and I kind of don't like it because the things I want to see on this page are not showing up. So what I'm gonna do is just delete this one, delete this, delete and delete. And I just want to see what actually I want. So I want interfaces on the left side so I can see both of the interfaces are up and running. And then I want to add more. So let's say if I'm running captive portal, I can check the status of that as well. But I want to see the smart status of my disk. I need to save the changes first and then I can add more. So I'm going to add smart status, which is going to be the status of my disk. And then I would like to add traffic graphs, which is going to show me the graphs of my LAN and WAN traffic. And then I'm going to hit on save. And then to add more, there are so many different options where you can see what services you're running, and you can see all of them on your first page. So if let's say if I want to see the system information, what actually I don't want, but in case if you want, you can do that on first page and you can move it wherever you want. But make sure to click on save button after completing the changes, and you can check one by one everything so you will get more idea why I was doing this. So there are like so many things. Even you can check the gateways, if gateway is pingable, if gateway is active or not, and it's right here. So I can put it on the top of interfaces as well. This is how you can change the layout. But let's say if you don't like the color, like this black and white color, you don't like it. So for that, you need to go into system and general setup, and under theme, you can see currently we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 extras. But if you know HTML or CSS, you can still add more pfSense themes. You can even download from Google. And this is the folder you're going to uh, paste the configurations of pfSense. So, but for now, I'm going to show whatever we have. So let's say compact red, and it says user created theme. So it's unsupported from pfSense. If there is any change, then if something happens, then pfSense support team will not support you in that because you're using something which one was not recommended. Okay, so this one is compact red. I guess it did not change. Okay, yeah. Now you can see it's in red color, and there are several more online available if you want to choose those, or if you're um, like knowledgeable enough to make your own theme, you can do that as well. And again, I'm going to change this back to uh, the basic one, or I can do dark as well, and it's also provided by pfSense. And there is one thing more you can change, since I'm recording this video specifically for layout and theme change. You can even change the login page color as well. So currently it's blue when you log in. We can change it to, let's say, I wanted to, let's do it green. And also you can show the host name on your banner of login page. So what happens when you show the uh, host name? If you have multiple firewalls, if you're working in an environment where you need, let's say 2, 3, 5, or even more, if you show the host name, that way you can identify even on the login page if you're on the right firewall or not. So I'm going to hit save button, and then I will log out from this page just to show you the green login page. So I'm going to click on log out. Now you can see it's green. It looks really weird, but you can change that. Okay, in the banner, I can see the firewall host name. First thing I want to change this to uh, somewhere gray or dark blue. Dark blue is fine. Light blue is fine as well. So I'm going to save this. And one more thing related to uh, the dashboard. So you can see we have two columns here. But if I want to see more stuff, I would have to like scroll down every time. So to add more, you can do that as well. In the general setup, there is a feature for column, dashboard column. So I want to set it to 3. And host name in the menu, if you want to set that, host name only or fully qualified domain name. By default, it's no host name. And top navigation, it says scroll with the page. So if I scroll down, you can see the top navigation will scroll with the page. But if I do fixed, then it will be only visible on the top. Okay. So as we have set up 3 columns, I'm gonna hit save, and let's see how the dashboard looks like after selecting the 3 columns. All right, so I'm gonna click on pfSense and it should show. Now you can see I have one more and I can add more stuff on my main page. Yes, and let's say I do want to add disks, which I already have, I guess. And let's add, uh, I can add picture as well. That's weird. Want to see the picture on the main page. But yeah, if you are working in a company, then you can see that kind of stuff as well. So I have added OpenVPN and the disk space. You can see how much disk space is used. So if even you have 4 gigs of disk assigned, it will work fine because I have another firewall which is working like really normal with 4 gigs of space on the disk. And then you can save, and now it looks much better and you can add more stuff on one page. If I scroll down, so it's still moving with scrolling with the page. But if I click on fixed and it's saved, so since it's all about layout, and I do want to show you everything, whatever you do on this side, how it's gonna work. Okay, so now it's gonna be fixed on the top. If you scroll down, you can see it's fixed. If I go into general setup, because that's the page where I was scrolling, now you can see the top menu is still there. So this one is another nice feature. If you click on fixed, so it's gonna stay fixed. And if you want to move, you don't have to like scroll up all the way to select any other feature. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, make sure to click on thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.